Good evening, student. In the last video, we have discussed about plant-water relationship. Now, to understand this plant-water relationship in a better way, we have to understand certain standard terminologies which we use to denote this relationship. In this video, we have to discuss about water potential, solute potential, and pressure potential. We have to understand these terminologies. So, let's start with our video lecture. So under plant water relationship, we have to discuss some standard terminologies such as water potential, solute potential, and pressure potential. These all terminologies are denoted by symbol psi and they are measures in terms of unit pascals. So these all terminologies are denoted by symbol psi and they are measured in terms of unit pascal. Okay, now to understand the water potential is the driving force by which the water will move from one cell to the another cell of plant. वाटर पोटेंशियल वो फोर्स है जिस फोर्स के कारण पानी एक प्लांट के सेल से दूसरे प्लांट के सेल में जाता है. ये कंसेप्ट वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल के ऊपर बेस है. इफ यू कंसिडर वाटर इन एनी स्टेट, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इन लिक्विड और इन गैसियस, द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर विल हैव सर्टेन amount of kinetic energy. Let's say कि if this is a system, now in this system there are water molecules and these water molecules will always have some amount of kinetic energy whether these molecules are in liquid or in gaseous state. So water के molecule gaseous state में या तो फिर लिक्विड स्टेट में रहेंगे, कोई भी स्टेट में इनके पास सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी हमेशा रहेगी. एंड ड्यू टू दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी दीज वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आर इन रैंडम मोशन. दे कैन गो इन एनी डायरेक्शन एंड दिस रैंडम मोशन इज कंटिन्यूअस, रैपिड एंड कॉन्स्टेंट. सो the water molecules are continuously in random motion this random motion is due to the kinetic energy of water molecule and this kinetic energy will gives a random motion to water molecule and this random motion of water molecule is always rapid and constant. So this random motion is always rapid and constant. So these are the two characters of the random motion of water molecule. This kinetic energy which is providing the random motion to water molecule is actually the water potential. This kinetic energy is the force. Due to this force, the water will move from one cell to another cell of the plant and this kinetic energy of water molecule is denoted as water potential. So basically a water potential is nothing but a kinetic energy of a water molecule, whether the water molecule is in gaseous or liquid state. So this is the force and the factor which determine this force are actually solute potential and pressure potential. So water potential is the force and solute potential and pressure potentials are the factors which determines this force. They are the factors which determines water potential, which is denoted as W psi. Clear? Are you clear for this thing? Now, when these water molecules are in random motion, more the amount of water molecule in the system, more will be their kinetic energy. So if you consider a pure water, then a pure water which is not having any dissolved solute, pure water will have the highest number of water molecule. So the pure water will have highest amount of water potential. As the pure water is having the highest amount of water molecule, the pure water will always have the highest amount of water potential. And by conventional, we take this water potential as 0. That means the water potential of pure water, that is the highest water potential, is considered as 0. Okay, as convention we have taken this potential as 0. So the highest water potential of the system, if we taken the pure water, then it is 0. So the highest quantity of water potential is always 0. That is the highest value of water potential. How do you understand this thing? Okay, then if we added something into this pure water, let's say for example we have added some solutes. So due to presence of the solute, the water potential will decrease from the value of 0. So if we added some solutes in this particular pure water, then due to the presence of solute, the water potential will get reduced below the value of 0, because some of the water molecule will get engaged in dissolving these particular solute molecules. So let's say for example, if a pure water is having 100 molecules of water, then due to addition of solute, let's say for example we have added 1 2 3 4 5 solute molecules in this pure water, then 5 molecules of water will get engaged in these 5 molecules of solute. So actually the 0 is the potential of 100 water molecule. Now there are 5 molecules which are less available for the water potential. So this solution, firstly it was a pure water, it was a solvent. Now we have added the solute, then it has turned into solution. This solution is having 5 water molecule less compared to the solvent. Clear? And that's why now this solution will have lesser water potential compared to its original solvent. क्लियर फॉर दिस थिंग? हमने ऐसा कहा कि हमने प्योर वाटर का सॉल्वेंट लिया और उस प्योर वाटर के सॉल्वेंट में हमने सोल्यूट्स ऐड किए. तो प्योर वाटर का जब सॉल्वेंट था तो उसमें 100 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स थे. अब हमने उसमें सोल्यूट ऐड किए. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल कि हमने 5 सोल्यूट के मॉलिक्यूल ऐड किए. तो इन 5 सोल्यूट के मॉलिक्यूल्स को एंगेज करने के लिए हमारे 5 वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल खर्चा हो गए. इसीलिए अब जो सॉल्यूशन बना, सॉल्वेंट में सोल्यूट डालने के वजह से जो सॉल्यूशन बना, उस सॉल्यूशन का जो वाटर पोटेंशियल है वो 0 से कम रहेगा, क्योंकि प्योर वाटर का हमने वाटर पोटेंशियल 0 लिया था बाय कन्वेंशन. लेकिन अब सोल्यूट के मॉलिक्यूल को एंगेज करने के लिए हमारे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल खर्चा हो गए। कितने खर्चा हुए? तो 5। इसीलिए इस सॉल्यूशन का जो वाटर पोटेंशियल बनेगा वो बनेगा -5। क्लियर? एंड दिस -5 इज नथिंग बट द सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल, and that solute potential is always negative because this solute particle will engage the water molecule. Are you clear for this thing? हम जब भी किसी प्योर वाटर में सोल्यूट्स मॉलिक्यूल ऐड करेंगे तो जितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हम ऐड करेंगे और उन मॉलिक्यूल के वजह से जो वाटर पोटेंशियल कम होगा उस पोटेंशियल को हम कहते हैं सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल। लेकिन हमेशा सोल्यूट डालने की वजह से वाटर का जो ओरिजिनल पोटेंशियल था वो मैक्सिमम था 0, उससे हमेशा वो पोटेंशियल कम होगा। इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं कि सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल हमेशा कैसा रहेगा? निगेटिव रहेगा। और कितना निगेटिव रहेगा वो होगा सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल और वही होगा water potential. Let's say for example कि in this particular solution we have added the 5 molecules of solute and due to this 5 molecule now the solute potential is -5. So here in this solution now the solute potential is -5. Okay, and this -5 will also defines the water potential of this particular solution. ये -5 की जो टर्म है वही सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल है और वही टर्म आपको वाटर पोटेंशियल भी दिखाएगी, क्योंकि वाटर पोटेंशियल प्योर वाटर का था 0, अब उसमें 5 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट ऐड हो गए तो उसके वजह से वाटर पोटेंशियल कम हुआ। कितने से कम हुआ? -5 से कम हुआ। सो दिस -5 इज सोल्यूट पोटेंशियल, बट एक्चुअली ड्यू टू दिस -5 हमारा वाटर पोटेंशियल जो 0 था वो भी कम हुआ 0 से। क्लियर? 100 मॉलिक्यूल का प्रेशर था 0, अब 5 मॉलिक्यूल कम हो गए वाटर के तो हम वाटर पोटेंशियल को भी दिखाएंगे -5। सो अंडर दिस कंडीशन, अंडर कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर एंड एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, water potential is equal to the solute potential, where water potential, the highest water potential is 0 and the solute potential is always negative. So do remember